I got credit card debt, unsecured. It was only about $5,000. This is like 19 years ago. They sued me. I didn't even appear. They got a judgment entered against me. And now my research seems to indicate that even if you do have a judgment against you, if that judgment goes like just nothing done on it for 20 years, that that goes away. And then something else told me, or some other research said that, no, they can refile it and it continues on indefinitely. And, like I said, it's been 19 years, so I'm about to turn that 20th year. I was wondering, is it true that it goes away at 20 years unless they reactivate it or something? And how often do you see a credit card company reactivate a judgment when the original judgment was only like $4,000 or $5,000 to begin with?
Well, what happens is after 10 years, the judgment has to be renewed, and then after 20 years, the judgment is gone at that point. So there is a renewal that the creditor has to make after 10 years. Then once you hit the 20-year mark, the judgment is gone.
Oh, so moral to the story is just stick it out, huh? If you have a judgment against you, just stick it out for the 20 years and then it poof, goes away.
If the creditor does not pursue the judgment, try to garnish, after 20 years it's gone, but there is a renewal time frame where the creditor has to renew the judgment after every 10 years.
What about the normal statute of limitations when it comes to, say I owed $20,000 in credit card debt, but my last purchase was 5 years ago, and they haven't sued me yet? At what point does the statute of limitations kind of kick in where I don't even have to worry about a judgment?
Well, it depends on when there's a credit card judgment. It's typically a breach of contract, and there is a 6-year statute of limitations on that. So if they sue you within that 6-year time frame, there is a possibility there can be a judgment against you.
Gotcha.